Right, so I was originally going to wear my Michael Jordan jersey, but I'll say it for the weekend. I've got this Space Jam t-shirt, not Spaceman, Space Jam vest on with this black Nike vest underneath. The reason why I've got that on is because I got a package about 10 minutes ago. I wanted to record it, but I didn't have a camera at the time. I'll do this part. Yeah, so open this up. I know this is as well. Obviously that's why I got my foot on. Okay, go upside down. Got Vintage, fucking Chicago Bulls, bit fucked up, I don't really care. Makes it more character, gives it more character even. Let's try it on. This is fucking crispy! Oh, I fucking love this and stick my dick all over it and cum in it and that, I mean. I don't care that it's all crisp, it's all fucked up and that. I don't care. Boy, this hat is sick. Love this hat. And guess what? Guess how much I paid for it? Guess. Nope. Nope again. No. £19 plus shipping, so like £23. So it's sick, boy. I don't care that it's fucking all crumbled up. I mean, I'm not gonna do it because it's old and that. I mean, it's from the 90s, early 90s. You reckon? Yeah. I don't know why I said £90. I mean, £19 though. Yeah. Gangsters, fuck. Look, my glass on, hat on. Yeah. That's what I got. Pick up for TikTok and YouTube. This hat though is sick. Fucking love this hat. One of my new favourite hats. Look. Look at it. Leather. Not clever. Yeah. And I'm not clever. And look at the weather. Shit. Oh yeah. So it's your boy Deidris here, come at that video. And I'm signing off now, so Wambo Joe, sign off. Don't drink and drive, smoke fire, do you have fun. And don't let me forget you. Smart does.